Hi everyone. Let's create this kind of slider, autoplay slider. So you can see it is moving perfectly and going one by one, and the opacity is increasing one by one, and it's leaving the previous card's opacity to 60% or less, this kind of things. And if you click on any card, that's showing the relevant image and running the animation from there. So let's create these things in Framer. How let's see how we can do these things in Framer visible. So I have saved 4 images for the animation things actually, and for desktop I have taken a frame here, and with the starting of 1 FR width and 100 VH height actually. And for layout, let's take a column, and let's draw that here. Okay, so we can see this with is this kind of things, and everything is fine. Let's keep as it is, and just remove reduce the gap to 48 pixel. And for this framer, you can see let's make the image fit here. So image wrapper, and this is card wrapper. Okay, for the image wrapper, let's copy all the images here in this image wrapper. Okay, giving alignment, no problem. We have named the image 1 2 3 4, 4. So we can make the animation perfectly and very easily. Okay, so we have made the absolute, and let's make it to everything is true. So it's cover all the places perfectly. Okay. And for the image one, let's make it like index 2. It's okay. And for 2, it's let's bring it 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. It's perfect. Okay. But for the animation, as the first cut will be appear here, so first image should be shown here. So other images we make it visible to 0, or we can also opposite make the opposite to 0. Anything you prefer. I am going with the visible to no. But if we play with the opacity, the cool things will happen actually. And for the card wrapper, let's bring a frame here, and in the frame, let's make this with 11 and 100%. Okay, let's grab the card wrapper and make it height. Okay, let's play with the height to fit content, and gap should be 12 pixel only, or you can use accordingly. Okay, let's remove the background also, and for this let's name it card. Okay, in this card let's take another frame, so this frame will be the background things. Okay, and let's take another elements that will be text here. Let's name it with the numbering things, so that will be 1, and it will be card 1. Card 1. Okay, so for this card, let's make its height to fit, and let's rename the background things. It should be PG element. We are going to play with the animation with this PG element, and let's make it to position to absolute, and left 0, top 0, bottom 0. And for this one, just make it 100%. Okay, and for the card one, you can see it is just under the background one. So let's improve its G index to like 1 or 2, whatever you prefer. Okay, and now we can see it has no spacing, good spacing actually. For the third one, you can make it with to fill, so it will be responsive goodly. And for the card, let's increase some padding, top bottom padding. Let's make it top to 24 pixel and left and right 16 pixel. And so let's name it like card one, and for let's duplicate it for several times, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so this will be fourth one. This will be third one. This will be second one. Okay, and for the text, we may change it to the second one should be 2. Three, three, this will be 4, card 4. Okay. So everything is fine here. The setup is fine. Now let's make it like mesh, slider, animation, and let's make the component with this layer. Now, just randomly, we are here and just make 3 more variant of these things. Okay, and for the image, just let's fix the images like the first one is equal to none, the second one should appear here on the second variant. For the third one, let's make the first one visible to none, and the third one should be visible. Yes. And for the fourth, same things. Number one is equal to none, and number four should be equal to yes. And for the curves, here you can see, we can do all the animation at a time. Just press a shift on your keyboard and select the 4 background like this. Here you can see all the background is selected. Now on the effect, just appear and here click here and make the opacity to 100% and offset just make it 100% on the left. Nothing else. And for the animation, make the it to be seen and make the line straight so it becomes smooth. And let's set the time for second. Okay, the animation is done here for the background. And we could see we have forgotten to remove the background of this card actually. So let's remove the card's background like this. Okay. And here you can see the for the first first variant, we are going to make its opacity to 60%. Okay. And for the background, we do not need to show the background. Okay, that animated. So we are going to delete for other things like this. Okay, so only first one will play the animation here. You can see. Let's say here you can see the first one is showing the animation. Perfect. So let's do all the things accordingly. For the second card, let's remove the background from here. And for the card, we are going to make its opacity 60%. and the second one, its opacity will be 100%, and its background should be visible. Okay, so let's say the second one. Yeah, the second one is working perfect. Okay, so for the third one, doing same. The background should remove from the card one, and it should be 0.6, that is 60%. So the third one's opacity should be 100%, and its background element should be visible. For the fourth one, doing the same, nothing special. So it is actually so easy to do. Doing the fourth ones, so 60%, background element two, visible, yes, okay. So everything is set perfectly. Now we are going to make the animation, auto animation. So let's make it like this, appearance, and the delay should be 4 seconds. Because we are playing with the background card for the 4 seconds, so we should do everything with the 4 second. Otherwise, it will not calculate perfectly. Calculated perfectly actually. So doing connecting the second card to third card, third card to fourth card, because it will go one by one. That's it. And for the fourth one, we will bring it to the first one because we need the autoplay, the circle actually. Thus it will play nicely. The circle. Yeah, it's working. Okay, the second one is coming nicely. Yeah, everything is working fine. Now, what we want to do, that is, we are going to uh, add the click event also, because we also need to show the relevant card by clicking. So this is click event. Okay, click event is done for the first one. This is second one connected to the second variant, that is also done. Third one should be connect with the third variant. So this is also done for the fourth one. Yeah, this one connecting with this one. Okay, no relay is required. So let's say how it's working or not. Yeah, it's the click event is working fine. So let's publish the things and let's say how it's behaving. Okay. So, taking time to load. In this meantime, let's talk with something is okay. It's working perfectly. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Okay. Here you can see it's starting from the hub actually. Why it is starting from the hub? Let's solve the issue actually. So in the framer, here you can see we have this element. Okay, but its width is a lot actually, and it's in absolute condition. Okay? So let's make it layout activated, and for this one, let's make it feed. If we make it feed, what's the issue? The background we have set to the left quite fixed width actually. Here you can see we are sending 489 actually. So if it is moving more, then the issue will be greater. Okay, so let's see, it is 108 pixel. So let's set the max width to 108 pixel. Okay, this is the legs of the framer actually, because it should have the 100% on that animation. That that will make the perfect animation actually. But it is unfortunate. framer is not providing us the facility of putting 100% in the animation things actually in the effect. So it is, you can see it is moving perfectly, and on click it is going to the targeted card, and after that it is moving to the next card from that place. So everything is working fine. Thank you very much for watching this video and this animation, and let me know if you need any other animation. Just put your words in the comment. I'll try to do the animation. Thank you very much.